Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating fully finished modern minimalist house na malapit sa Manila and Airport at no spot down payment pa. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Yes, buddy, you heard that right. No spot down payment nga ito dahil ang down payment ito ay payable for 36 months for as low as 18,000 monthly. Open layout, minimalist, move-in ready na nga ito upon turnover dahil complete finish na at installed na rin ang ating water and electricity. Kaya naman less hassle at more on interior improvement na nga lang ang inyong ipapagawa at dadali mo na lang ang gamit at family mo. Strategically located near boundary ng General Trias at Ansa, Cavite. Kaya naman easy access ito to Manila and Airport via Cavitex at Cavite Laguna Expressway connecting to Vermosa, Villar City, MCX, and Alabang. Malapit sa lahat, along main road, gated, secured, maaliwalas dahil malalaki ang road sa loob ng subdivision at may complete amenities pa gaya ng pool, basketball court, parks and playground at marami pang iba. Pwede sa pag-ibig at hindi pag-ibig member, TCP starts at 4,598,000 and for as low as 18,000 monthly DP. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!